Hello, this is Miss Karen, your English teacher. Today we're going to be reviewing this paper. In this lesson, you will learn the alphabet, 26 numbers, prepositions, the verb to be, and 5 kinds of animals. 1. Uppercase A, lowercase a. 2. Uppercase B, lowercase b. 3. Uppercase C, lowercase c. 4. Uppercase D, lowercase d. 5. Uppercase E, lowercase e. 6. Uppercase F, lowercase f. 7. Uppercase G, lowercase g. 8. Uppercase H, lowercase h. I. Number 9. This is an uppercase I. This is lowercase I. 10. J. Now let's not get J mixed up with G. This is G. This is J. G, J. G, J. E, I. E, I. J, G, E, I. 11, K. 12, L. 13, M. 14, N. 15, O. 16, P. 17, Q. 18, R. 19, S. 20, T. 21, U. 22, V. 23, W. 24, X. 25, Y. 26, Z or Z. You've just learned the alphabet and 26 numbers. Now, let's learn some more things on this page. Let's read these sentences. I'm going to use this paper here, this cardboard, to help you stay focused. Number 1. There is an uppercase letter at the beginning of this sentence. At the beginning of, that's a preposition. It tells us where something is. Prepositions tell us where things are, if they're near or if they're far. Let's look. Is there an uppercase letter at the beginning of this sentence? Yes, there is a capital letter. Is the verb. We use there is when we talk about one object. Number 2. There is a period at the end of this sentence. Doink. That's true. There is a period at the end of this sentence. At the end of is the preposition. It tells us where at the end. We use there is when we're talking about one thing, one period at the end. Number 3. There are 26 lowercase letters in the yellow box. This is the yellow box, and there are 26 lowercase letters in this yellow box. We use there are because we're talking about a lot of objects. 26 of them. Number 4. There is a teacher near the top right of the page. The top right. There she is, near the top right. This is the right side of the page. This is the left side. The right side, the left side. There is a teacher, one teacher. That's why we use there is. Near the top right of the page, that's the preposition. Tells us where. Number 5, there is a butterfly near the top left of the page. Here's the top and here's the left. And there is the butterfly. Butterfly. We say there is because there's only one butterfly. Number 6. There are 2 apples in between the pigs and the dog. There are 2 apples. Well, let's look here at the bottom. These are the pigs, 1, 2, and the dog, 1 dog. 2 apples are between. They are between the animals, the dog and the pigs. Between. Let's go back over here. We use there are because there are 2 apples. 2 apples. There is a bird on Minal's head. There is a bird on Minal's head. 1 bird. That's why we say there is. And where is the bird? On Minal's head. So on is the preposition. Number 8. There is a letter I beside the letter J. Beside the letter I is beside the letter J. À côté. Beside means à côté. The letter I is beside the letter J. There is a letter E under the letter A. Under, en dessous. There is a letter E under the letter A. Let's continue. There is a letter G in between the letters F and H. There is a letter G in between the letters F and H. In between, entre les deux, in between. There are 2 frogs in front of 2 girls. There are 2 frogs in front of. That's number 11. Let's see. There are 2 frogs in front of 2 girls. En avant d'eux. In front of 2 girls. There is a carrot in Etienne's hand. There is a carrot in Etienne's hand. 1 carrot. We say there is because we're talking about one thing. We use there are when we're talking about more than one thing. 13. There is a girl named Thamael behind the sign. Behind, ça veut dire en arrière de. So behind. Here's the girl named Thamael, and she is behind the sign. The sign is in front of her. She is behind the sign. 14. There are flowers in front of Minal. in front of is the preposition. There are, because we're talking about more than one object, there are flowers in front of me now. Remember, we use there are for many objects, and there is for only one. 15. There are 7 students on this page. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 students. We use there are because we're talking about more than one student. We're talking about many students. Again, remember, we use there are for many objects and there is for only one. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned the alphabet, 26 numbers, prepositions, the verb to be, and 5 kinds of animals. Let's review the animals quickly. A bird, 2 frogs, a dog, 2 pigs, and a butterfly. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now. Do, 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 do.